Here's middle C. We'll be playing the piece in the key of F sharp minor. Our first chord is F sharp minor. We will be playing A and C sharp. Let's play that chord 8 times. Our next chord is D major. We will be playing F sharp and A. Let's also play that chord 8 times. Next is E major. We'll be playing G sharp and B. The final chord is C sharp minor, where we will be playing E and G sharp. Let's play the chord progression again. F minor, D major, E major, and C sharp minor. Now let's focus on how this chord progression is played. Before we were playing the chords every 8 beats. Now imagine half beats in between those 8 beats. The red font indicates when we play the chord. We start by playing the first chord for the first 8 beats. Instead of playing the next chord on the first beat, we will be playing the next chord in the half beat right after the previous 8th beat. This is what it would sound like. On the next cycle, we will be playing the first chord on the first beat. For the left hand, we'll be playing our root notes. For F sharp minor, we'll play F sharp, D for D major, E for E major, and C sharp for C sharp minor. The rhythm for the left hand is also a little bit tricky, but I have indicated in the blue fonts when we play. Now with both hands together, this is what it sounds like. Start practicing with both hands very slowly and gradually increase the speed. This chord progression is used pretty much in the entire song with some variations. We'll call this basic rhythm pattern 1A, and it is played in chorus 1 and 2. For our intro, chord progression is played except C minor is played only 6 times. We'll call this pattern 1B. Now let's cover how the verses are played. We'll start off by playing our basic rhythm for the pattern. Next, we'll play that pattern again, this time with E and C sharp minor held down for 8 beats. We'll call this pattern 1C. Next, we'll play pattern 1A again. Next, we'll play our pattern 1A again, except C sharp minor is played only once. And so for the first and second verse, we play pattern 1A, followed by pattern 1C, pattern 1A, and pattern 1D. For our interlude, we will be playing our chord pattern except with all the chords held down for 8 beats. We'll call this pattern 1E. After that, we'll play pattern 1D once. Finally, for our third and final chorus, we will be playing pattern 1A twice, followed by pattern 1B, except for 1B, instead of 6 times, we will be playing C sharp minor 4 times. Here are some of my other piano tutorials.